This one simple process helped me make over $700,000 in 2 days selling digital products, specifically PDF guides. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact method I use to get those sales. I don't have a course to sell you or a $5,000 mentorship. I just ask that you like this video and subscribe if you're not, so I at least get something for making these videos, right? Now, keep in mind, this video does not guarantee anything is going to work for you or whatever, but you can give it a try. That's what I did when I started, when I was in your shoes. I'm going to show you exactly what I do and use. You can give it a try if you want. You also do not have to. But for those of you guys who are, trying to grind, then maybe you should watch this entire video. So how exactly did I do over $700,000 in 2 days? Well, I'm going to show you the exact marketing method and strategy that I used. And before I do that, you have to get to that part, right? You don't just market. Does that make sense? So let me speed run this part. So first thing first, finding the PDF guide idea. You can't just sell whatever you think, like, oh, how to know if the sky is blue, how to know if the earth is flat or not. Like, no one cares about that, okay? You want to sell things based on emotions, okay? So if someone is going through something, they're probably Googling it, asking the question on Reddit, or just trying to find a resolution to their problem and the issues that they're facing emotionally, okay? Keyword, emotionally. Okay, so emotion is what sells PDF guides here. For example, this PDF guide right here, when a newly single mom sees this, it's going to hit them emotionally because one, they're newly single and they're a new mom as well. They are stressed. So they're going to want to, resolve that issue by any means necessary. And that's where your PDF guide is going to come into play. Okay. Now, how do I find these ideas based on, real-time issues people are searching for in real time? I use PDF Trend Lab. You click Generate PDF Guide Idea, and then from the niche tab, you select any niche you want, and then you just click Generate Ideas, and it will literally generate PDF guide ideas only based on real-time problems and issues people are searching to resolve in real time. That's what makes PDF Trend Lab so special, because it's not just gonna pull up random search terms from Google, Reddit, and social media. It's only going to pull problems and issues people are searching for right now. That's why I love using it, and that's exactly how I found the PDF guide. I did over $700,000 in 2 days, and a lot of money I've made selling PDF guides. I'll leave a link in the description and pinned comment of this video to try PDF Trend Lab. You don't have to use it. You can go search for ideas by yourself manually on Reddit or whatever. I don't know, but I prefer to use it because it works like that. And then after you have the idea, you want to go ahead and design the PDF guide. The cover is extremely important, so make sure that you're making a cover that speaks to the potential customer. I'm going to speed run this part, like I said, because I do actually have a full, detailed, step-by-step 3-hour course on this channel for free, okay? It's free, and I'll link it. You will see it right here at the end of this video. So just stay until the end, okay? This video is not gonna be long at all because I'm going to get to the marketing strategy that did over $700,000 in 2 days very, very soon. Keep watching. So after you found your PDF guide idea using PDF Trend Labs, and then you've designed it on, Canva, and then the next thing will be to go ahead and build your website and landing page using Shopify, okay? Why do I use Shopify? Because on Etsy, you can't fully design and customize the store, and it's kind of in Etsy's hands if you make sales or not. You don't want that. You want to be able to fully customize your website. Make it seem like a personalized brand, because that person that's emotional trying to resolve an issue, they want to feel like they're buying something of quality. And you can't really do that when you're, using Gumroad or, Etsy. I mean, by all means, use whatever you want to use to accomplish the PDF guide method. You don't have to use Shopify. You don't have to use PDF Trend Lab. It's just what I use, and the results speak for itself. Okay, so quick recap. You found your PDF guide idea, you created the entire PDF guide on Canva, and you've designed your website on Shopify. Now, how did I get sales? How did I do over $700,000 in 2 days without spending any money on ads? You didn't even know that part, right? Well, let me show you. So this is what I did. And you're looking at this like, what is this, right? Let me explain before I read exactly what I said in this message, okay? So now what I'm going to show you is a marketing strategy that only I was able to do because I have made a lot of money online the past 10 years. The good news is there's an exact method just like the one that did over $700,000 in 2 days that I also use to pretty much do the same thing that you watching this video can also copy and, do as well as far as the marketing strategy goes. So this message reads, yo, my G, I have an opportunity for you to make some bread, money, like we did a couple of years ago with the Rose Bear. But this is even better and easier than needing the physical products because we sling in digital products now. Laugh my ass off, okay? By the way, this message was sent to a creator that I personally know because I've been in the industry and this space for a very long time, almost a decade. So that's why the message is not formal. But like I said, there's another message I used to send to people I don't know, creators I don't know, but pay attention, okay? So anyway, it's a PDF guide that fits your mom faceless YouTube channel perfectly. The PDF guide I showed you in the beginning of this video, that may or may not be the PDF guide that did $700,000 in 2 days. That's all I'm going to say. And also, I want you to pay attention to the message I'm sending him because I'm saying key things that will make sense later that you can also do and, possibly replicate, right? Okay, so anyway, it's a PDF guide that fits your mom faceless YouTube channel perfectly. Like I'm talking, I launched this organically a few months ago, posted some faceless videos on YouTube for 30 days, stopped because I thought it was a flop, and out of nowhere, I checked the YouTube recently and more than half of the videos got over 20,000 views, with the highest sitting at 313,000 views as we speak. The channel is called Blank, so you can check it out. But I obviously promoted the PDF guide in every video, and you already know not every product works with organic. So when I checked the Shopify and saw 17 bands, which also means $17,000, when I saw 17 bands was sitting there, I knew I had to hit you up because I already gave up on that channel and don't really want to go back to the drawing board when I know you already have that niche locked. So let's go 50-50. Again, the proof of concept is already there. Let me know when we can hop on a call and plan content and etc. So there are a few keywords in this message that, I use in my general messages to content creators when I want to partner with them. You notice what I said? I said 50-50. I'm not paying him any money up front. Granted, it's because we already have a relationship and he already knows I can make, I can make bands, okay? And for those of you guys that might be sitting down and want to see me flex what I own and whatnot, I'm wearing a white t-shirt. This white t-shirt looks like it's $10. It's not, okay? I don't like to flex. It's not what I do. I don't like to show you where I'm at, what I drive, what I do, or any of that. But this is just my everyday jewelry for those people that might think, oh my God, you don't make that much money. Those are Cartier bracelets. That's a love bracelet and that's an Uncloud nail bracelet. About $15,000 casually on my wrist that I always wear every single day, okay? And let's not talk about this diamond bracelet right here. Guys, I'm not a flexer, but there's so many people in the comments that look at me and say, oh my God, he does not look like he makes that, because I'm not showing you my cars and where I live and the, suite that I'm in right now in New York City, by the way. Yes, I'm in a suite right now in New York City. There's a whole door over there. What suite and hotel do you know in New York City has a door to a living room, a bathroom, and a kitchen? Go Google it. It's quite expensive, but anyway, I'm rambling now because sometimes I just see the comments that piss me off, like, you don't need, and it's like, bro, if someone is flexing what they got, run away because they're selling you a course or a $5,000 mentorship. I don't do that. I don't collect your email. I don't do any of that. But anyway, back to this message. So that's why I was able to not pay this creator up front, because we already have a relationship. I've made him a lot of money through affiliates already. So just giving him 50% of sales was all I needed to do. But I also said YouTube. Okay, I didn't tell him to post on Instagram or anything else. YouTube. Why? Because with YouTube, the views, they come and they keep getting views for pretty much ever. Okay. And when you spend time watching a YouTuber, you trust what they're saying more. You kind of build a relationship with them, as opposed to watching a TikToker that, for you to watch, a 10-minute video from a TikToker, you'd have to watch like maybe 50 plus of their videos. For a YouTuber, one video and you've already spent 10 minutes with them. Does that make sense? That's why YouTube influencers work way better. Okay, now here's the exact message I send to creators I don't know, but I want you to pay attention. I'm going to read it first, but then I have to explain why, it's structured like this so it makes sense to you, and that way you can understand how to tweak it and change it, because every creator is going to be different. So pay attention to what I'm going to say next, okay? And keep in mind, when you're doing this, you want to do it and send it to YouTubers with 100,000 subscribers and less, because when they're micro YouTubers, they're not making a lot of money from YouTube AdSense revenue, so they kind of want to make money, right? Because they want it to be their full-time job. So that's why 50-50 without paying, the influencer up front can work. Obviously, it's not magic, and this message does not mean every person you reach out to is going to reach back to you and agree, right? But if you reach out to enough influencers, you should be able to get responses and actually strike deals, right? So the message goes, hey, creator name, you're clearly cracked at Call of Duty and your audience knows it too. That kind of skills deserves more than just GGs in the chat. Like I said, pay attention. Everything I'm saying, I will explain why I said it that way later on, okay? I put together a step-by-step PDF guide that helps gamers like you turn your Call of Duty skills into a real side income. It's made for players who dominate the game and want to start winning outside of it too, without needing to blow up on YouTube or wait for some sponsor to come knock it. Here's the offer. You promote the guide on YouTube. You earn 50% commission on every sale. The guide is $27. So that's $13.50 per sale to you. And because it's so affordable, you will get a lot of buyers. Proof of last launch with another creator below. No upfront cost, just passive income for sending your audience something genuinely useful. And if you want, I can customize the guide to fit your personal strategy, whether that's how you build your community, your loadout preferences, or how you tell the story. I want it to feel like something you would give to your followers. Let me know if you're down, and we can get on a call, talk more about editing the PDF to be more tailored to your personal strategies, and also get a feel of each other to see if we'll be good partners. It's a very lucrative thing you can do without doing any work, just promoting it seamlessly in your content. Looking forward to chatting. Okay, first thing first. You notice I didn't send any links to my PDF guide on my website or any of that, okay? That's simply because when you do that, it looks like spam. Secondly, I know I said proof of launch with another creator below. I can do that because I have proof. So yes, that's, I guess, an edge for me, right? However, I've sent the same email tweaked without the proof as well. And it's also worked, okay? So you do not need that in there. But I just wanted to keep it real and show you exactly what I send, right? Now, as you can see, the language I'm speaking here, Call of Duty, okay? If you know gaming Call of Duty, and if you post gaming videos, if you watch gaming videos, GG's in the chat. I'm using their language, the creator's language, okay? GG's means good game after you play a game and you win or lose or whatever the case is. You'll see people commenting GG's, good game. You know what I mean? So what I'm doing by doing that is I am relating to that creator on purpose, so that way they feel a connection even without meeting me. Does that make sense? That's extremely important. You cannot speak to a mom like you're speaking to a guy and say, hey, what's up, dude? You get what I'm saying? That wouldn't work, okay? But now what you're gonna make sure you wanna do is you wanna make sure that you're letting them know that, hey, you know what? I can even make the PDF guide exactly tailored to you. You know why I did that and do that? Because it makes them feel a part of it, like they're actually building a business. And remember what I said, with micro influencers, they want to make this their full-time job. So that'll make them more excited. They want to make, being a YouTuber their full-time job. So when they see that they can be a part of this business and whatever, they're going to get excited, okay? Nope, don't pressure them or anything. Let me know if you're down to talk more about it. So you have to be willing to then, get on a Zoom meeting or Discord meeting with them. You have to be willing to sit down on camera and just talk. Just make sure everything, your ducks are in order, your website is done, all that stuff is done. Speaking of, if you want to see how to do everything from, finding PDF guide ideas to building the website and everything step by step, this is the free course right here. It's 3+ hours long, completely free. All I ask is that you just leave a like and subscribe.